Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to one more flow designer scenario. In today's video, we are going to discuss about subflows, and I will show you how to create a subflow, how to use it, and what all are its benefits. So let me go to the flow designer. This is our existing flow. Open it, new employee onboarding. So we have added this switch in the last video. Okay. If you have not watched it, please watch the last video. Everything what we have seen here is being configured in a separate video one by one. So you have to watch past videos of this series to understand each and everything here. But what I'm doing in today's video, I am moving this switch into a subflow. So what is a subflow? It is another capability of Flow Designer where we can create a subflow and then we can use it later in different flows. So it is a reusable component. All this logic of switch is going to into that particular subflow and then I'm using it. So basically I am trying to simplify this workflow. It is looking very long. So that's what I want to change here. Okay. So now let me go to here, click on plus, click on subflow, provide the name, task routing. Okay. Simply click on build subflow. So in a subflow, we have to first of all provide inputs and if there is any output, and then we have to add the logic. So if we come here, so what we are doing here in this onboarding location check, I am checking the location of the user. And based on that, based on the location, I am creating tasks to different onboarding groups. Okay. We are creating catalog task and assigning that one to new groups. Okay. So what all inputs we need in our subflow? First of all, we need the RITM record. Secondly, we need input as a location. Okay. And there are certain variables. These variables are also needed in order to update the task values like description and short description. So that's what I'm going to use there. And then I will show you how to go further. And then provide inputs here. Click on plus. So first one is location. It is a string and it is mandatory. That's fine. Plus RITM. Okay. And here it is a reference. The reference will be for requested item table. This one. It is also mandatory. Then we have the name of the employee. It is a string. Other variables are, look at the variables, get catalog variables here. So employee name is done, employee start date, employee department, laptop needed or not. Location is already created. Click on plus, start date, plus department. Last one is laptop needed or not. Again plus, that's it. These all are the things which we need and these all are mandatory. Okay. So now we are done with the input. Click on done here. Now we have to create the action. And that will be again the flow logic because we have to add the switch here. So switch will come from make a decision. So provide the name, check location, and then we have to provide the decision table. If you remember in last video, we have already created a decision table. So the same decision table we are going to use. So click on this. The decision table is onboarding group. Okay. So the same we are going to use here. Onboarding group check. So in decision table, again, we have added input as location. So the same it is asking. So we have to provide the location, include otherwise check also. Okay, so the location will come from these variables. Okay. So location is not there. Let me add the location at the top one more time. Okay, so here I forget to add the label here. So just write down location. That's it. Click on done. So we have the location here. Okay. So open this again and add the location. Just drag it. Click on done. So now you see based on the location, we have all these things are coming. We have all configured this in the our decision table. Let me show you the decision table one more time. Go to Workflow Studio, go to decision table, sort by updated. You will find the onboarding one here. This is onboarding group check. Click on it. How to configure a decision table, how to add it, everything is explained in the last video. You have to go there and check it. So this is how we configure the decision table. Okay. So that's why we are seeing the values there, and we have properly configured the decisions. Like for Baltimore, we have added this group. Okay. So the same is being happening there. So again, come here in this our Subflow. So now we have to add the task. So click on action, go to create catalog task. So first of all, we have to provide the requested item. So the requested item comes from here. Okay. These are the variables inputs which we have created. Then provide the short description. Onboard employee, and employee name is this one. So add the employee name from here. So we have to onboard this employee. Okay. Then we have to provide the description. Details are now go to assignment group. So the value of assignment group come from this one, right? It is Baltimore. So add the same assignment group here. We have the groups already created. It is Baltimore. Okay, that's it. This is what we have to add here. Now click on done. So one task is ready. We can just duplicate this task. Duplicate one more because we have 4 values. Now drag each task to the next level. One more for otherwise. It means if there is no value. So just duplicate this and drag it. Okay. Now just update each and every task with the values, the value of the group based on this branch. So this branch is for Hyderabad. So select the same HYD. Hyderabad group is coming. Click on done. Then go to Noida one. Finally, at last, we have otherwise. It means it is not based on location. So we have to add the general group here. So general group is only onboarding. So let's remove this and add onboarding. That's it. So this is our complete logic for this sub workflow or subflow. Sorry. We have added the inputs and then we have correspondingly created the task based on the location. Okay. And we have used the decision table to do the decision here to do the switch. So now just click on publish here. It is saved successfully. Go to our flow. Click on edit flow. Scroll to the bottom here. So what we have to do, we have to remove this number 7, that is flow logic, that is switch, right? Make a decision. So just remove this. Click on delete. So it is deleted. Now we have to add the subflow here. Click on plus. Click on subflow. And it will be task routing. So this is the one, task routing. Click on it. Now provide the values. We have to provide the inputs here. First of all, RITM. So RITM will come from this record. Okay. And then employee name. It will come from catalog variables. So just drag it. Then we have the start date. This is the employee start date, which is coming from the form. Then we have employee department. Then laptop required or not. And then finally the location. Okay. So like this, we have provided all the inputs. Now click on done. Only one thing is left. We have to move this task routing here and move the update requested item to below it, right? So just do that. drag it and update it here. Okay, so this is done. After we are checking whether the onboarding manager has approved or not. If it is approved, then we are coming here and checking all the logic. Okay, rest all will be the same. After the task is created, this task routing subflow will complete and we have to update the RITM record here. And in case of else, you already know this, right? So this is how we configure the subflow. We have to define the input and output, and then we have to provide the values of that input and output into the main flow, like the way I did it here. Okay, so now click on activate. This is successfully updated. Now we have to do the testing. Let's go to catalog items, new employee onboarding, click on it. Provide name, type of service, this one, then employee department is HR, location is GCC Hyderabad, and start date is today's date, or let's say 20th May. Click on order now. This is the RITM which is created. Open it. It is now waiting for manager approval. Scroll to the bottom. Let's see approval here. Approval is going to my manager because I am system admin right now. Approve it. Okay, just reload it one more time. It is now waiting IT manager's approval. That's good. So he is the IT manager and Bill tutor. Click on approve. Now it should create a task. Just reload one more time. Stage is still waiting for IT manager approval, but at the bottom we have the task created. Okay, and it is going to the same Hyderabad assignment group, right? So let me open it. You can see the all details here. Onboard employee for OPSing, and these all are the values. Laptop needed true. Location is GCC Hyderabad. This is the department. This is the start date. Everything is going good here. The only problem which I have seen is this. The stage is not updating here. Why it is not updating? Let me check here. Because we have not added any fulfillment stage anywhere. We must add a fulfillment stage here, which was deleted when we deleted this previous check, right? So click on stage here. It is fulfillment. So this is how you can track and this is how you can do the things. Click on activate. Now when you test one more time, you will be able to see the stage changing to fulfillment. Previously it was not changing because last stage was waiting IT manager's approval only. So that's what we are seeing here for this RITM, waiting IT manager. But as soon as this task is complete, then we can see the change in the stage. So now this task is complete here. Now you can say RITM is completed, right? Because you can see the stage is completed here. We have not added it right now. It was added previously here. That's why it is happening. So now I have fixed it. And when we try, we will get this stage as well. Okay. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen, for this video. We are able to add the subflow. We are able to use the decision table, and then we are able to justify our workflow. I will come up with one more utility in the next video that I will see, that I will show you that how to use that utility of Flow Designer with one more logic. Thank you so much.